Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here on Belvedere in Bella Terra. This is part of the estate line of homes that were built here at Bella Terra by Lennar. This one right here is the Sawgrass. It's over 2,900 square foot, 3-car garage, 4-bed plus den home. You also get 3 bathrooms. Let's run inside and take a look. This home is also being sold turnkey. So what you see is what you get as we go inside, minus the owner's personal belongings. Right up here in the front, you do have this little porch nook here, which is kind of nice. Set up some seating. And as we go in through the glass entry door here, on our left is going to be the den. So you've got your dual door den here. You've got carpet in the bedrooms. Really nice sized room here with the bay window there. And there's also a closet. So you really could use this as a study or an additional bedroom and use it as a 5th bedroom. Now coming into the main part of the house, you have your dining space, formal dining here, and you have your secondary living room right here. And then to the left is the master suite. Let's run inside and take a look at this master. It's huge. So we're gonna run by the closets first and take a look at the master's area here. You've got enough space for a huge sitting room here that looks off into the views of the pool. You also have sliding glass doors leading out to your pool area. Nice king size suite here. Plenty of room in your master. You've got 2 closets. You've got your bifold non-walk-in closet here. And then here you have your larger walk-in style closet. Tons of space here, and you can definitely utilize by adding additional rack room in your closet. Now you've got the master bath here with your separate soaking tub, your walk-in style shower right behind the glass window here. You've got your dual sinks, and then you also have your private commode room right here, which does have a linen closet as well. All right, so walking back out, we're gonna walk across from the master past the formal dining room. On the right-hand side here is the laundry space. You've got a utility sink, full-size washer and dryer, additional storage above the washer and dryer, and that leads us to your 3-car garage here. That's a storage room right there, so you have a formal storage area here in the garage, which is a nice little area, plus your air handler. This home has 2 separate AC systems in it. Nice 3-car garage, and of course we are looking at a nice painted floor here as well. Now walking right back in, to the right are 2 of the guest bedrooms. You've got one here with the bifold style closet doors, and sandwiched in between, you have the guest bath here. This is the 2nd bath. You've got a combination tub and shower there, along with the single sink. And then you've got another guest bedroom here with the bifold style closets. And this leads us into the kitchen area. You've got your wall oven, microwave, granite countertops, stainless appliance package here. Nice wood cabinets, corner pantry here. A nice sized corner pantry there. You've got your eating kitchen right here overlooking the pool area, which is really nice with the large corner window. And your great room here. Plenty of room to have some bar stools and entertaining here. Now towards the back corner, you've got the last bedroom right over here with your bifold style closets. And this is your 3rd bath, which also doubles as a pool bath. It does have a shower, which is really nice as well. And you have your pool bath door leading right out to your pool area here. And we're going to take a look at the outdoor living space. Really nice size under truss lanai here. You've got all this space. under truss. And then you've got a huge pool area here. On the left-hand side, plenty of space for an outdoor eating area. You've got your spa. You've got your pool here. Additional seating on the other side as well. This is a spectacular area, and you've got areca palm trees that are lining the exterior cage here, so it's really nice and private. And this owner also added a privacy screen right there by the doorway. Now we're going to head back in, and last but not least, folks, we'll take another look at the secondary living space right here towards your front entry. And this also gives you access out into your pool area. All right, folks, so this is our newest listing. It's the Sawgrass floor plan by Lennar. Beautiful estate home here. It's being offered turnkey, so everything from all the furniture to all of the pots, pans, forks, spoons, knives, and then some. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. As always, guys, this is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.